Okay, gang, I'm in my car. It's 1:23 p.m. Mileage is 47,663. It's 38 degrees outside, as you can plainly see on the dashboard. I'm right in front of my house after returning from Bodo's and my big adventure there. And I am now going to attempt to drive to ACAC, the gym, and then do my workout and record the drive with Google Glass so you can see just what a miserable job of plowing everyone has done. Here we go. Production values may not be great because basically I'm going to try to stay on the road and not kill myself. So I apologize if the picture is not framed perfectly, but hey, I suspect this will be the only video of Charlottesville immediately after the giant snowfall that exists on the planet. So don't quibble. I am now on the street that goes from my house to the intersection of my little subdivision, and here I'll make a right turn. Notice the road is not exactly what we call pristine. Basically, the snowplow has just pressed down. Oh, here's a little neighbor with his sled or something. And you can see that the road out of my subdivision is pretty much a disaster. I have four-wheel drive, by the way, on this Mercedes C300, automatic four-wheel drive. Otherwise, I would not even dream of making this trip. And you can see that all this snow pressed down by the plow will turn to ice, black ice tonight when it gets below freezing. And tomorrow, driving in and out of this subdivision as well as along the roads you're about to see, much less traveled ones, will be nearly impossible and or dangerous. Okay, here we are at the horribly plowed exit of my subdivision, and off we go onto Barracks Road. I am now on Barracks Road heading east into town. Looks good, huh? Pretty nice right here. You think to yourself, well, okay, they did a good job, right? Well, you're going to have a little surprise after we get around this turn. No, not quite yet. Still okay. Remember, it's 38 degrees out, so it's melting as I speak. But just stay with me for a minute. I'm now heading towards Georgetown Road. I got to remember to stop this at 14 minutes because YouTube won't post a video over 15 minutes. So I'll stop at 14 minutes and then start again. Notice that slush and ice right there. No matter. Go. And I am now at the intersection of Barracks Road and Georgetown Road. Okay. See that? Georgetown Road. You can see the sign yourself right there, I think. It's so bright out that I really can't tell what you're seeing in the Google video window, so again, I'm just doing the best I can. Okay, here I am now on Barracks Road, still heading east toward 29, the main north-south drag of Charlottesville. That's the only way I'd consider going to the gym, because I suspect any other roads would be very, very, very iffy. Notice how slow we're going. The motorcycle guy, the car there, trying not to splash Mr. Motorcycle. I'll go slow too. I'm going 10 miles an hour as I pass him. Okay, now I'll pick up the pace. Look at this. Look. Look, this is just solid impacted slush. Look at this. We are a half mile from Route 29. Look at this. I mean, this is real snow here. This is deep snow. Look at the car in front of me bouncing around. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look. If you don't have four-wheel drive, man, don't be out here. Can you imagine this icy tomorrow? Ugh. What's my time? 5 minutes so far. I'm good. Okay. Well, this is kind of exciting, as long as I don't get hurt. There's the 250 bypass up ahead there. You see there's not much traffic, and there's not many people out and about either. But we're proceeding nicely. Here we go. Green light. A little more traffic now all of a sudden. Now it's 1:29 p.m. The UVA women's basketball game supposedly started at 1 p.m. So I don't know if these people are planning to do that, go there or whatever. Okay, there's a little more traffic now than there was an hour ago when I went to Bodo's. A little bit more. Again, notice we're now a quarter of a mile from Route 29, and basically there's only one lane clear here. Look at this. What a debacle. Okay, here we are now, approaching Barracks Road Shopping Center. There it is on the left, the north wing. Oops, red light. Okie doke. All right, you can see the next light ahead of this one at Millmont is Route 29 North, and we'll be making a left turn there and then heading on to the gym, which is about 3 miles north on 29. Now, this is 7 minutes. At the next red light, I think I'm going to stop this video, okay? Fucking nuts, man. Pardon the French there, but some person almost cut me off. I don't understand that. I mean, everybody should be driving so slow. Look at this. Here's the intersection of Route 29 with Barracks Road. Look at this. Look. I mean, this should be absolutely clear. This is the center of town, and it's just one big mass of snow. What a crock, huh? Terrible. Okay, here's Emmett Street, which is also Route 29 North for those who don't live in Charlottesville. And I'll be making a left turn here. Now I'm going to end this video at 8 minutes, and we'll start with another one.